afternoon everyone, and welcome to our virtual assembly this week. I can tell from all the work that's been coming in through emails and Purple Mash that you've been working exceptionally hard at home, and it's brilliant to see. So we've got some certificates to give out today for those children who've been working exceptionally hard, and let's see who our certificate winners are this week. And we'll start off with Class 1. So in Class 1, the Teacher's Special Award this week goes to Lucy for helping Miss Latham to take care of the chicks. Well done, Lucy. Our Star of the Week certificate, Miss Latham, goes to Harley May for lots of fantastic home learning. That's really pleasing to read, so well done, Harley May. And the final award for Class 1 is congratulations to Lola for creating some excellent fossils. So really well done, Lola. Okay, let's have a look at Class 2. So, Home Learning Award for some super Purple Mash work. That goes to Joshua in Class 2. Well done, Joshua. The Star of the Week Award is presented to Evie for lovely online work this week. So keep that up, Evie. It's really nice to hear. And the Teacher's Special Award, this is presented to Dylan for fabulous work on Purple Mash. Keep it up, Dylan. That's really nice to hear. So, Class 3. We have an award here. The Teacher's Special Award this week goes to Martha for a fabulous fossil fact file. So well done, Martha. Liam, the Home Learning Award this week, well done for detailed research on fossils. There's a bit of a pattern emerging here with these certificates. Well done to you, Liam. And the Star of the Week Award, that goes to Isla for completing many Purple Mash tasks. So that's really nice to see you getting online and keeping up with your learning. Well done, Isla. So, Class 4, Miss Turner's class. The Teacher's Special Award this week, that goes to Isabel for creating an Anglo-Saxon narrative. Well done, Isabel. Our Home Learning Award, that goes to William for using coordinates and to go as part of the home learning. So well done to you, William. And the Star of the Week Award. This is presented to Paige for great resilience in her work. Well done, Paige. The final class, so Class 5. So, the Home Learning Award this week. Congratulations to Lola for finishing so many of the tasks that Miss Parsons have set. Thank you, Lola. Our special award, that goes to Bianca for some brilliant science work. And it was really good. I had a look at that. Some great work there, Bianca. So very well done to you. And the Star of the Week certificate, that's presented to Lucy for dedication to work on area and perimeter. So well done to you, Lucy. I'd just like to finish by saying a huge thank you to all of the children for their hard work. I'd like to say a huge thank you for the staff for updating the class pages, and also a huge thank you to all of the parents as well who are continuing to support with home learning. Now, it's been a busy week for everyone, so the weekend is coming up, so I'm going to wish you all a great weekend, and I will see you next week on our Friday assembly. I'll see you later on. Have a nice weekend. Ba 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 ba